Yo, hello team ITT. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everybody. Israel the trader speaking right here, and thank you very much for checking on us today. And in this video, I want to do an introduction video to MEXC. So this is an exchange that is trying to take over the whole internet. So yeah, this exchange is currently going more than Binance right now in the market. So, right now this is the leading exchange globally. So yeah, um, MXC Global, I like the fact that this exchange is competing with Binance. So, this is a very, very good exchange, man. So yeah, their withdrawal is very fast, deposit and everything is very, very fast, man. So yeah, they offer a lot of cryptocurrency here, guys. So yeah, you can see, you can just filter them out by top gainers daily, top gainers weekly, and as well as top activity new tokens. Okay, these top activity new tokens are new cryptocurrency that have been added to the market. So also these top gainers weekly, which basically means that, say you select BTC USD now, and you click on these top gainers weekly, it will now filter out the top gaining cryptos for the whole week. So let's say BTC USD has gone up maybe 300%, 400% for this week that we are in right now. Then you are going to see BTC USD right here on this list, right? So yeah, I like the fact that you can filter them out like that daily, so that you can know which cryptos are moving to the upside, which cryptos are moving to the downside and stuff like that, right? So yeah, you can see trade anywhere with MEXC app. You can also get their app on Google Play or Windows app API, which is this API and stuff like that. So you know maximize profit with leverage. Basically their leverage is kind of decent, guys. Their leverage is decent. And also you can join their Twitter, Telegram community, and so that you can just be in touch with their support team and all of this stuff in case if you have any question, right? So yeah, I don't want to waste much of your time, guys. Remember, this is just an introduction video. We are going to still make an in-depth review of this MXC global exchange, right? You can see, if you come here, you come to the market. If you click on this market now, you can see the list of cryptocurrency that we currently have now in the market, right? So you can filter them out by going to the market at the top left side of this website, right? Of course, if you log into your account, of course we'll try and log into my account in just a few minutes, right? You can buy cryptocurrency with either the P2P, which is bank transfer, and other payment methods. And also you can buy crypto with your credit card and stuff like that right here on MXC Global Exchange, right? And also, of course, you can trade it. You can see here, buy crypto with Visa card or Mastercard, right? And of course, this push is, you can see that peer-to-peer exchange, bank transfer, and more options. These more options, you can either send Skrill, Perfect Money, PayPal, and all of this stuff. Is very, very good, guys. And I like the fact that these people, they offer this peer-to-peer, and you can also buy your cryptocurrency with Visa or Mastercard right here on this exchange, right? So this exchange is MXCA Global Exchange. And also, if you want to sign up and to get depends on how much you want to deposit to this exchange. You can use the link down in the description below to get $10 at minimum deposit bonus, right? That's $10 you're gonna get for that. So yeah, of course, spot trading and stuff like that. But first, let's check this margin trading, which is maximize profit with leverage. And of course, you can see this one now that we selected is BTC USD, right? BTC USDT. And of course, you can have the basic of this chart. And also about me, I'm a professional forex trader and cryptocurrency trader and stuff like that. So I like to be professional, man. Of course, yeah. You can just maximize this chart. So you can go to properties and set the look of this your chart. Of course, you can see that the this candle, bull candles, I like to be white. I like it to be white, and the base candle, I like them to be red. And also I like background to be black. So let's just set it to my to how I like to the look of things, guys. And this one white. So OSCL off and stuff like that. Click OK. So yeah, I don't like the fact that this volume is down here. I don't, so I don't like volume. Oops. So I don't like volume. I gotta get rid of this, man. I gotta get rid of this. Oops, what am I doing? Come on. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so this is BTC USD right now. Remember, we are still within the MXC Global Exchange, guys. We did not exit out of it. You can do your analysis right here on the exchange. You can see that. So you can still do your analysis and stuff like that and trade right here on this exchange. So I like the fact that they're adding these futures on this particular exchange. So yeah, without taking much of your time, let's go and log in, guys. So let me log into my account right now, Israel the Trader, so that I can show you how you can buy crypto and stuff like that on this very exchange, guys. So you guys want to see my password, right? Of course, that's not gonna happen, guys. So let me just log in right now. Okay, Google Authenticator. Let me go down and check it out here. Okay, so yep, I've seen it. So it says this. Nope, it is not. That is 0. Nope, it is 30. All right, so yeah, we are logging in now to my account. So this is my account with this um exchange. So like I said earlier on, you can go down to margin trading, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go down to where you can buy cryptos and stuff like that, guys. Peer to peer, you can buy it to lead you to this website, and you can still buy cryptocurrency and stuff like that, right? So of course, you can click on this credit card and stuff like that. You can buy cryptocurrency right here, guys. Right now with your credit or debit card, being Visa or Mastercard, right? So you can just enter and stuff like that. Of course, you can choose the currency here. Of course, I like to use. You can use Euro, card, USD, and stuff like that. I like to use USD, so you can get that. Just get in with your um payment method and stuff like that. Then boom, you'll be able to just buy cryptocurrency right here, guys. And of course, you can still deposit and stuff like that on this particular exchange. So yeah, in the coming videos, I will show you how to deposit, withdraw, and stuff like that right here on this exchange. But today, I just wanted to show you the interface and stuff like that. So this is the interface and everything. Hopefully you guys were able to see it, isn't it? So that's just the introduction to this particular exchange. So yeah, expect more videos to come right here on this Israel the Trader YouTube channel, right? So thank you very much for checking on us today, guys. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, because we'll be dropping lots of exchange and stuff like that. The one that is the best for you, because I like to use them. That's why I'm sending to you guys, so that you can trust them and use them and stuff like that. Of course, I will show you how to sign up and all of this stuff. So yeah, let's get it, guys, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in our next video.